Hello student. In 9th class our first chapter is number system. So before starting number system, let's revise few numbers. Like our first number is natural number. As we know, these number comes from the nature. Human being start counting their animals, pets like 1, 2, 3, etc. etc. So they know about these number from nature. That's why these number called natural number. What is the definition of natural number? Counting numbers is known as natural number, and it is denoted by capital M, capital N, and it start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. That means up to infinity. Here when human being got the natural number, they started some operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Among these operations we are able to find while adding two natural number. For example, 2 plus 3 we will get 5, which again comes on natural number. That means the operation, that is addition, exists over the natural number. Similarly, multiplication also exists, like 2 into 3, that is we will get 6, and 6 is a natural number. But while subtracting and dividing, we are unable to find again natural number. So there is some limitation of these numbers, that is natural number, are requirement to develop next number. So while subtracting like similar number 5 minus 5, what will be the result? This is our question. So human beings or mathematicians develop 0. While including 0 in natural number, we will have whole number. We will have whole number. And now again in whole number we are able to do these operations. First, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But again addition and multiplication exist. In other cases, subtraction and division does not exist. For example, suppose if we are subtracting 1 minus 2, what we will get? This is the question which is not in the whole number, like our result will be minus 1. That means every time when respectively we are subtracting bigger number from the smaller number, we are getting negative numbers. So question arises where we will substitute these negative numbers. So our requirement to develop next number, that is known as integer. So what is the definition of integers? All the natural number, all the positive numbers, and their respect all the negative numbers including 0, we will get a new number system which is known integers. While doing operations on integer like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, these operations exist. In some cases we are unable to perform division properly. So from here few numbers comes like fraction, decimal, and then the rational number, which is our topic. First, let us revise fraction. As you know, you have discussed or learned in earlier classes about fraction, a number which can be expressed in the form of numerator upon denominator or p upon q, where pq belongs to whole number and q not equals to 0, that is known as fraction. For example, like 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 8, these are known fractions. Operations on fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division already you have learned, so we are not going to discuss here. Now what is decimal fraction? Decimal fraction, that means if the denominator like 10, 100, if the denominator of any fraction in this form, so these are known as decimal fraction. Now our next topic, rational number. What is rational number? Again, which is our first topic in 9th class, we are going to learn about natural rational number and their property. So rational number is a number which can expressed in the form of p upon q, where pq belongs to integer and q not equals to 0, that is known as rational number. Like example, minus 1 upon 2, minus 3 upon 4, 1 upon 2, all these numbers are known as rational numbers. Now we will learn here some operation on rational numbers. First, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, they are exist over on rational number, and already you have discussed in previous classes. Now we will represent rational number on number line. We will find in 9th class 2 rational number, 3 rational number, 4 rational number, between 2 rational numbers. So let us see how we will find the rational number. Before this, there are some facts which we should know. Like every whole number is a natural number, every integer is a rational number, and every rational number is a integer. So let us discuss first one. As I said, every whole number is a natural number. Is it true or not? Every whole number is not a rational number. This is the false statement. Why? As we know, in natural number it starts from 1, but whole number it starts from 0, etc. So 0 is not a natural number. So this statement is false. Every integer is a rational number. This is true, because here in rational number, according to definition, a number which can expressed in the form of p upon q, where p and q belongs to integer. So this exists. That means if we have a 0 is a whole number, 0 is a integer also, because including 0 we are getting the integers. So we can express this 0 as a rational number. How? Just increasing or writing in the denominator by 1, we will get a rational number. Okay, so let us find few methods, are like find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So first method, among these two, our first method, suppose this is A and suppose this is B. First method says A plus B upon 2. Add these two numbers and divided by 2, we will get exact between 1 and 2 next a rational number. That is, for example, while adding 1 plus 2 and dividing by 2, we are getting 3 upon 2, which comes on number line exactly between 1 and 2. Suppose this is 1 and this is 2. So we are getting in between 3 upon 2, first rational number on number line between 1 and 2. So applying this process, we can find more than 5, 10, 100, 1000 rational number between any two numbers. So resultant we can say we can find infinite rational number between two numbers. Next method, similarly here also, suppose we want to find 5 rational number between these two. So there is one more method how we can find as our requirement 5 rational numbers. So we will write 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 because 5 is our requirement. How we can find 5 rational number between 1 and 2? So our requirement 5 and method is 5 plus 1, that is 6. So how we can write 1? That is, we can write 1 as a 6 upon 6. And how we can write 2? That is 6 2s are 12 upon 6. If we are writing this, that is 12 upon 6, in a simple way we can convert into the equivalent number. So 1 can be converted 6 upon 6 as an equivalent number, 2 can be converted 12 upon 6 as an equivalent number, and now between these 6 upon 6 and 12 upon 6 we can insert 5 number like 7 upon 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6 and 11 upon 6. How many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the resultant. We are able to find 5 rational number between these.